Let us see reducing agent and oxidizing agent. What is reducing and oxidizing agent? So the agent or the substance, let us see one reaction. Cu, the copper oxide plus H2, copper oxide and H2, it will form Cu, this is solid, CuS plus H2O. The reaction is itself balanced, so we need not to balance the reaction. So let us know what is happening here, and let us try to understand what is reducing agent and what is oxidizing agent. So here you can see copper oxide is combining with hydrogen molecule, then the copper oxide is reduced to solid copper, and H2 after combining with copper oxide is oxidizes to water, H2O. Here oxygen addition of oxygen occurs, so here hydrogen is oxidized and copper is reduced from their copper oxide. So now let us see what is reducing agent and what is oxidizing agent. First of all, we need to learn the definition of oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So what is oxidizing agent? The substance which are oxidizes another substance but itself gets reduced. The substance which oxidizes another substance but it gets reduced. Here you can see the copper oxide is oxidizing the H2 to H2O. Copper oxide is oxidizing the hydrogen to water. So the copper oxide is, you can say, it is oxidizing agent. And you also see that copper oxide, this oxidizing agent, is oxidizing the hydrogen to water, but this copper oxide is itself gets reduced in this reaction. Here the copper oxide here the removal of oxygen occurs, you can see. So copper oxide itself get reduced to solid copper. So copper oxide is oxidizing agent. So now let us see some other example of oxidizing agent. Some important oxidizing agent used in the laboratory is discussed here. The first one is MCPBA, that is its short form written, that is metachloro peroxy benzoic acid. It is metachloroperoxy benzoic acid. Another one is H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. Another oxidizing agent is KMnO4 potassium permanganate. Another example of is K2Cr2O7. K2Cr2O7 is another example of oxidizing agent, that is potassium dichromate. It is potassium dichromate. It is potassium dichromate. So now let us see reducing agent. The definition is similar to that as oxidizing agent. The substance which reduces another substance in the reaction medium but itself gets reduced. The substance which reduces another substance in a chemical reaction or in the reaction medium, but itself it gets reduced. So let us see here. Itself it gets oxidized. Here itself it get oxidized. So let us see here now. The hydrogen is reducing the copper oxide in the reaction medium. The hydrogen is reducing the copper oxide. You can see this hydrogen is reducing copper oxide to solid copper. So this is a reducing agent. And also see here, this reducing agent is itself get oxidized in the reaction medium. So you can understand what is reducing agent. let us I want to give some example of important reducing agent. Examples of reducing agent. First one is NaBH4, a strong reducing agent used in the laboratory. This compound is known as sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride. Another one is dibal. It's written not like this, you have to use block letters. Dibal, this indicates this compound stands for di-isobutyl aluminium hydride. Lithium hydride. Another one is La, that is LiAlH4. The formula of La is LiAlH4. It stands for lithium aluminium hydride. So this video, please like and subscribe my channel for the latest update.